Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well.
Thank you so much for showing so much love on my previous video. I love you all. Here I am preparing the ingredients to make the chocolate tart. I had to be as quiet as possible because everyone was asleep. So all you need to make this tart is 1/3 cup butter, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 egg yolk at room temperature, Nutella, whatever, white chocolate and dark chocolate compound. Although in the video they have used only dark chocolate compound, but I like to do experiments, so I'm going to do one here too. Some cream, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, and a tray to bake the base of the tart, and the brush for greasing, and of course the iPad for reference. So let's get started. First, I'm going to add sugar to the butter and mix it well. It's better to crush the sugar first. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon vanilla essence and mix it well again. Adding flour to it now. But wait a second. That wasn't really an issue, but this was. I had to literally add more flour to the dough to make it of that consistency. Finally adding the egg now, and here we go with the dough. I'm flaunting it, as you can see. Now I'm going to cover the dough with cling wrap and keep it in the fridge for around 30 to 60 minutes. The dough is ready. Dough goes in the fridge while I grease the tray with some butter. So I finally got the dough out of the fridge. Make these holes at the bottom so that they do not puff up. I'm going to prepare the ganache. Here I'm boiling some cream to add it to the chocolate so that it melts better and faster.
Is the shiny, creamy, and so tasty ganache. Ooh la la!
And here I finally got them out of the oven. I'll fill them with the ganache.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
But let me tell you, the base was really good in taste, and when I added the ganache,
Wallahi, amazing!
hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Till then, see you.